When trading matches and differs using the LDP tool, LDP means last digit prediction. First of all, you need to confirm that on this section, ukiangalia hapa chini, let me try zooming. Hapa ni 90%. So when trading matches and differs, make sure the market that you're trading is 90%. If it's not, you can just change on top over here. Hapa mahali pameandikwa volatility 100 index. You just change over there until you find a market with at least 90% and above. So already this one, volatility 100 index, has a 90% for the differs. This is where you change your stake and you rate whichever stake that you want. Number of ticks, since the market doesn't have a oneness at the end, you write 1 tick. For all those markets with ending with oneness, you put 2 ticks. But in this case, we'll just use 1 tick. Make sure the moving cursor, the one that is moving around, anytime this cursor touches the green bar say equal at 1. Unaona? Equal at 1. So anytime the moving cursor touches 1 or any other odd number with the green bar should be on any other odd number. So since imeguza the red cursor imeguza 1, I've already clicked differs and you can see imeenda direct into profits. Check the progress on this part. You simply click this arrow at the center of the screen at the bottom part, then transaction. So let's wait again until the moving cursor like that, then you click differs. User tena, you click differs. Ukitaka kuangalia progress, you simply click on that arrow at the center of the screen, then you click transactions, not on your profits, counting on that part. So my target is around $10 for now, then later $10, afternoon $10. Yeah, you can repeat it as many times as possible, bora you don't overdo it. Make sure you have a specific target for the day. So let's wait again for the moving cursor, the red cursor, to touch the green bar. That way, then you click differs. And then to straight into profits. Let's wait again. As you can see, the profits are still adding up. So even if the moving bar moves to a different number, but it's always good the green bar equal on an odd number. So make sure the green bar equal on an odd number. As you can see, the number one is an odd number and the green bar equal on number 1. So if you don't find a market that the green bar equal kwa an odd number, you just look for different markets. Na markets ziko hapa juu. Markets ziko hapa juu. Okay, so the green bars, you can see it may move to a different digit, which is 7. 7 is an odd number. So right now I'm just waiting for the moving cursor, the red one, to touch number 7, then I run the tool. I need to be a little bit patient. That way you click differs. Straight into profits. So make sure to stay tuned for more strategies. I'll be posting at least like 3 strategies per day to help you